I accidentally stopped it. So there's gonna be 3 or 4 parts to this video. I am sorry. I'm not gonna show over there yet. Look, I can see right now that it's overflowing from. Look, little geese eggs. Oh, there's no eggs there. Okay, so usually you can get onto this rock from land by stepping across, but you can't. Usually it goes out pretty far. Look at this. Okay, so this is really loud, okay? I have to say this is really loud. Okay, oh my gosh! This is awesome! I can't believe this is awesome! There's like no way you could get across this without boots on! Look at this! Oh my gosh! Look at that! That's amazing! Oh my gosh! It's going over that rock! Oh my gosh! I thought this would be lighter than it is like this! I can't talk with you hearing me without yelling! Well, I can't hear myself without yelling! Jeez! It looks just normal. Well, not to me, but then if you hear it, it turns into a raging river. Take this ride for Adventureland. Start right there, and then you slide down, you go down that. Jeez! Oh my God! I cannot believe this! It's all here! It's like all coming in. Okay, so from right here, I'm gonna put in, if I can find something, I'm not gonna put in my ball. Who would do that? Okay, so there's some sticks over here. I'm gonna put in this one. Dang it. Just put in some of this green leafy stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in from where it starts, and we'll count. 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, 4, 5 apple, 6 apple, 7 apple, 8 apple, 9 apple, 10 apple, 11 apple, 12 apple. Okay, so watch this go off. It just went off. Do you think it could push a small rock like this? It's pushing it! It pushed it! This is unbelievable! It's getting stronger! I think it's getting bigger! Jeez! Jeez! Okay! That was bigger than I expected. Like, I had to yell to hear myself. Okay, now you can hear me. You still, if I be quiet, you could use this for sound music. Okay, so you could probably fall asleep to that. So that was strong enough to pull along a small rock. I didn't want to do a big rock.